Trump belongs in jail! Palestine is not for sale! Bibi Trump, we're not done! The Intifada just begun! Palestine will be free! Free Palestine! Free Palestine! Free Palestine! Free Palestine! Go back home! Leave Palestine alone! Number one terrorist! U.S. imperialist! U.S. imperialist! What do we do? Stand up, fight back! What do we do? Stand up, fight back! Justice!
Intifada revolution!
Intifada revolution!
There is only one solution!
There is only one solution!
Intifada revolution!
Intifada revolution! IOF, KKK, RDL, you're all the same!
Right over there is Blair House. That is where war criminal Netanyahu is being housed. Right over there, that is where a war criminal, an international fugitive, is being housed. Shame! So just over there, and as we heard moments ago, Gaza and Palestine being talked about like it's a real estate project. Well, let's let them know that it's going to be a failed real estate investment because our land is not for sale. Our land is not for sale. For every martyr that they take, for every journalist that they kill, for every doctor, for every medic, 100 more are born. 100 more are born. And when we see the children who are amongst us in these crowds, that is their biggest fear. Their biggest fear is the youth. The youth who will continue the path that their ancestors laid for them. And that is what we are doing right now. We are laying the path to liberation. The same path that our ancestors walked on. Because we are this much closer to achieving it. We are this much closer. And we can see that by all of these executive orders being signed right now. We are seeing that with the increased amount of money that they're sending to Israel because they are afraid and because they know Israel has already lost. Israel has already lost. Lord, where the Intifada? Intifada, Intifada.
The war machine of the U.S. empire is driven by profit. This is what we mean when we say imperialism is the highest stage of capitalism. Stop the U.S. war machine! Defend migrants now! Thank you.
I don't want my tax dollars!
I don't want my tax dollars!
Use for Palestinian slaughter!
Use for Palestinian slaughter!
Netanyahu, we can't wait!
Netanyahu, we can't wait!
Until we see you in the Hague!
Until we see you in the Hague!
Netanyahu, we can't wait!
Netanyahu, we can't wait!
Until we see you in the Hague!
Until we see you in the Hague!
Netanyahu, we see you!
Netanyahu, we see you!
And all the war crimes that you do!
And all the war crimes that you do!
Bombing children is what you do!
Bombing children is what you do!
Netanyahu, we can't wait!
Netanyahu, we can't wait!
Until we see you in the Hague!
Until we see you in the Hague!
There is only one solution.
There is only one solution!
Intifada revolution.
Intifada revolution!
Intifada, intifada.
Intifada, intifada!
Long live the intifada.
Long live the Intifada! We the people won't be silent!
We the people won't be silent!
The people won't be silent!
We are here to fight to ensure that Gaza and all of Palestine does bloom again, brighter and stronger than ever before. And our demands have not changed. They have not changed since 16 months or 1 year or 2 or 76 on to 77. They have not changed and they will never change. Arms embargo now! And no matter who sits in that White House behind me, the demands remain the same. Our will to crush and smash Zionism and imperialism remains the same. Our will to resist remains the same. Free, free Palestine!
Free, free Palestine!
Long live Palestine!
Long live Palestine!
Long live Gaza!
Long live Gaza! No colonizers in this town!
Shut it down!
Shut it down! No colonizers in this town! No normalization! We demand for liberation! No normalization! We demand for liberation! Bibi, we are at your gate!
Justice is our only game!
Justice is our only aim!
Baby, we are at your gate!
Bibi, we are at your gate!
Justice is our only game!
Justice is our only aim!
Free the people, free the land!
Free the people, free the land!
No peace on stolen land!
No peace on stolen Intifada!
Settler, settler, go back home!
Settler, settler, go back home!
Palestine is ours alone!
Palestine is ours alone!
Free Palestine!
Free Palestine!
From DC to Palestine!
From DC to Palestine!
Netanyahu out of time!
Netanyahu's out of time!
From DC to Palestine!
From DC to Palestine!
Netanyahu out of time!
Netanyahu's out of time!
Say it loud and shake the ground!
Say it loud and shake the ground!
Lebanon, you make us proud!
Lebanon, you make us proud!
Everybody says that the only way to victory is to defeat the enemy's will to fight. Netanyahu has not defeated the steadfastness of the people of Palestine. It has not defeated the people of Gaza. The people of Gaza are returning to their land. Trump says, I don't know why people would want to go back. all of the cities are rubble now. Why would you want to go back, Trump says? Because it's their land. Because Gaza will rebuild.
There is only one solution. Intifada revolution. There is only one solution. Intifada revolution.
Netanyahu to the Hague! Zionism is a plague! Netanyahu to the Hague! Donald Trump, you will learn! By the millions will return! Donald Trump, you will learn! By the millions will return!
Once again, the most powerful seat in the U.S. government is welcoming Netanyahu, a genocidal war criminal, to Washington. This is an expression of the unwavering support of American political institutions for the violent system of occupation, land theft, and apartheid known as Israel.
I don't know if you heard that earlier today, Donald Trump signed an executive order ending U.S. engagement with the UN Human Rights Council and halting funding to the United Nations Palestinian Relief Agency, UNRWA. Shame! And just moments ago, Donald Trump stated the following: the United States will take over the Gaza Strip. Let's make one thing loud and clear to Donald Trump, to Netanyahu, and to the Zionist entity: Gaza is not for sale. Palestine is not for sale. Gaza is not for sale. Palestine is not for sale. We will continue to resist for every inch of Palestine. Let Donald Trump know that the ceasefire is only the beginning. This is only the beginning. And the humiliation that Israel and the United States feel because they could not defeat our people. They could not defeat a people that knows the land, that resists for the land, that offers millions of martyrs for the land. You cannot buy a land that knows its people. You cannot buy a land that nurtures its people. You cannot buy a land where the wind sings the names of its martyrs every day. Palestine is not for sale. 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 Gaza 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 is not for sale. We won't give up, we will not fail. Gaza is not for sale. Gaza is not for sale. In my head. Gaza is not for sale. Gaza is not for sale. Gaza is not for sale. Gaza is not for sale.
Trump invited a war criminal who has an arrest warrant against him for his crimes against the Palestinian people. Shame! Despite 15 months of destruction and devastation and depravity, and despite U.S. diplomatic and military and financial cover in orchestrating this genocide in Gaza, the Zionists failed to crush the Palestinian people.
course they failed. Long live the people of Gaza. Long live the people of Palestine, the land of martyrs, the land of honor, the land of dignity, and the land where Zionism and imperialism will be vanquished from this earth forever. Free, free Palestine! Free, free Palestine! Free, free, free Palestine! Free, free Palestine! Free, free Palestine! Free, free, free Palestine! From the river to the sea! Palestine will be free!
There is only one solution. There is only one solution. Intifada revolution. Intifada revolution. Trump, Bibi, you will learn. Trump, Bibi, you will learn. When the millions will return. When the millions will return.
The fascist dictator Donald Trump and his fellow war criminal Netanyahu are right now speaking about Gaza and speaking about Palestine as if it's a real estate property. As if it's just a demolition site. He is saying that their intention is to make it so that no one from Gaza is going to want to return. But we have been out here for over 70 years demanding return, and that is not stopping now. He said every single person, all 1,000,008, are going to want to leave Gaza and never come back. He said that there is no alternative but to resettle all of the Palestinians out of Gaza. This is quite literally a declaration of ethnic cleansing and displacement of the Palestinian people from their own land. And if he thinks that there is no alternative than to resettle the people of Gaza, we are out here to let him know there is no alternative than full liberation immediately. There is no alternative than an arms embargo now. There is no alternative than liberation. There is no alternative than an end to the occupation, than a lifting of the siege. There is no alternative. He thinks that the United States can come into Gaza and just replace what the Israeli soldiers have done. We already know they are one and the same. There is no separating the United States and the Zionist state of Israel. There is no separating their settler colonial ideals. There is no separating the two. Israel is a fascist state, and the United States is under a fascist dictator. We will not stop, and we will not rest until all of Palestine is liberated. We will not stop, and we will not rest until all of Palestine
right now. This chant translates to raise, 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 raise the flag of revolution. And that's exactly what we're gonna do in all of Palestine and every single place our resistance stands.